Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Acorns, a popular investing app that lets you round up your purchases and invest the difference. But before we get into the main topic, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever wished you could save money without even thinking about it? Well, that's exactly what Acorns does for you. It automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. So, for example, if you spend $10.75 on coffee, Acorns will round it up to $11 and invest the extra 25 cents. This may not seem like a lot, but it can add up over time. In fact, Acorns has helped its users save over $1 billion. So, now that we know what Acorns is, let's get to the question of the day. Does Acorns have instant transfer? The answer is yes and no. Acorns does not offer instant transfers between your bank account and your Acorns account. However, you can transfer money between your Acorns checking account and your linked primary checking account whenever you want. There are no limits or fees. So, if you need to transfer money to your Acorns account quickly, you can do so by transferring it to your Acorns checking account first. This will typically take 1 to 2 business days. Once your money is in your Acorns checking account, you can then transfer it to your Acorns investment account. This will typically take 2 to 3 business days. So, while Acorns doesn't offer instant transfers, it does offer a way to transfer money between your bank account and your Acorns account quickly and easily. In addition to instant transfers, Acorns also offers a number of other features, such as roundups. Acorns automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. Recurring investments. You can set up recurring investments to automatically invest a certain amount of money each month. Goal setting. You can set goals for how much you want to save for retirement or other purposes. Portfolio management. Acorns offers a variety of investment portfolios to choose from based on your risk tolerance. Tax-advantaged accounts. You can invest in tax-advantaged accounts, such as Roth IRAs and 401(k)s. Overall, Acorns is a great way to start investing and save money for the future. It's easy to use, and it offers a variety of features that can help you reach your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.